Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for personal styling, business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's create a new site. Now build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or website type, personal styling. So for example, let's choose this and let's continue. You can choose whatever you want. Enter your business name, type any business name you want, and let's move on. And if you want to add something to your website, for example, let's choose them all. And let's continue. Now go to dashboard. Wait a few seconds, preparing the dashboard. I'll design your site. So how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. So this is here if you wanna enter your information, your business name, your email and your address and your phone, and here if you wanna add a social link. So let's continue, and here choose the theme you like. For example, this. Pick your favorite homepage design. Now add page to your site. Wait a few seconds to preparing the homepage designs. Now your site is up and running, so if you wanna edit more, click here, go to editor. So this is your homepage website. So this is the settings of your homepage. If you wanna add elements, click here. So this is all the elements on your on this list. The first element is the text element. Here you find the theme text and the titles and paragraphs. Let's move on to the image elements. Here if you want to upload image, and if you want to import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. So let's move on now to the next element, the button element. Here you find the same, the buttons, text and icon buttons, and the icon buttons, the image buttons, the documents buttons, and the iTunes button. Here we find the payments buttons. You have to add some payments buttons on your home page. That's it. Now let's move on to the strip. Here you find classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, and testimonials, and theme. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, and arrows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. So that's it. Now let's move on to the vector art. Here you find vectors, featured, icons, animals and nature, logos and badges and characters. Also here you find the last elements here, the video elements, the video box. If you want to add some video box or video mask or transparent video. So that's it. Now let's move on to the boxes. Here you find the boxes elements. If you want to add some themed boxes or some container boxes on some hover boxes or some tabs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the galleries. If you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus and anchor. And here if you wanna add some themed menus, if you want to add some horizontal menus or vertical menus. Here if you want to add in-page navigation, add some anchor and in-page menu. If you want to edit, manage the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you have all the forms you have to add on your home page. Find here the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, and the waiver forms, the subscribe forms. Here you find Google Maps, the normal maps, and the full width maps. And here you find the chats, the Wix chats, and the line share button. So let's move on to the next. Next is the video and the music elements. So if you want to add something from here, single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video, or if you want to add something from the music elements, or if you want to add something from this like audio players or Wix video or Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. If you want to add something from the interactive section, here you can add from the slideshows elements, full width slideshows or box slideshows, or the light boxes, or the hover boxes, or the tabs, or the hover repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list. If you want to add some normal repeaters or hover repeaters or blank repeaters, so let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom some popular embeds, if you want to add single video players, here if you want to add something from this audio section, or if you want to add something from the advanced elements section, marketing tools, or the evaluative mode, and the last here is the animation section. So let's move on to the social bar. If you want to select any bar from this, you can add it on your home page. Or if you want to add Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest link or VK or line share button link, or if you want to add your YouTube link channel. So let's move on to the next. Here the payments. Find here the payments buttons. If you want to add some payments buttons, if you want to add payments forms, and here find the pricing plans and the store if you want to add something from the store. So let's move on to CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site content, and here if you want to share expertise and engage with your audience, the blog section. This is the store if you want to add something from the store. The bookings if you want to add something from the bookings elements or the related elements or the pricing plans. And here find the events if you want to create and manage events. If you want to manage your community section, and here if you want to manage your designs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here if you want to add sections, select any section from here, you can add it on your home page. Now let's move on to the next. Here pages and menus. So here you can add page. So this is the site menu. Now let's move on to the site design. If you want to design your site or customize your site design, so here you can edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. So let's move on here. If you want to add apps, if you want to manage your business, and if you want to upload your media, so you can upload your media, you can edit images and videos. If you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, if you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site content, and here if you want to manage Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or social media marketing or marketing integrations. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, all you have to do now is click here, publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.